Wondering which robot vacuum cleaner brand is the best? Let's figure out the smartest choice for you. We are here to guide you in making the right decision for your robot vacuum cleaner purchase. Let's explore the brands customers avoid due to negative reports of each brand to see why they are being avoided. First one, Xiaomi robot vacuum cleaner brand faces motherboard issue. Second, Haier robot vacuum cleaner brand grapples with poor quality. Third, Eureka Forbes robot vacuum cleaner brand encounters poor customer service. Fourth, Sulfur robot vacuum cleaner brand confronts customer is not satisfied. And fifth, Turbo robot vacuum cleaner brand suffers from poor customer support, as reported by customers. As a result, customers have strongly opted to avoid these brands. Let's now explore the top 4 recommended robot vacuum cleaner brands, including first one, ILIFE robot vacuum cleaner, second, ECOVAS robot vacuum cleaner, third, Dreamy robot vacuum cleaner, and fourth, Laza robot vacuum cleaner. Let's see the comparison. Let's take a closer look at the suction power they offer. Let me see the comparison of each robot vacuum cleaner brands. ILIFE robot vacuum cleaner sets the pace with a suction power of 2300 pascals, trailed closely by ECOVAS robot vacuum cleaner at 2000 pascals, while Dreamy robot vacuum cleaner steps up at 4000 pascals. Yet it's Laza robot vacuum cleaner that commands attention, leading the pack with an impressive 4500 pascals. Long-lasting running time for extended cleaning sessions. Let me see the comparison of each robot vacuum cleaner brands. ILIFE and ECOVAS robot vacuum cleaner boast a runtime of 110 minutes each, whereas Dreamy and Laza robot vacuum cleaner excel with extended cleaning capabilities, offering an impressive 180-minute duration for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Versatile cleaning options tailored to your needs. Let me see the comparison of each robot vacuum cleaner brands. ILIFE robot vacuum cleaner offers a versatile range with 4 cleaning modes, while ECOVAS robot vacuum cleaner provides 3 modes. Meanwhile, Dreamy and Laza robot vacuum cleaner both boast 4 modes, ensuring customizable cleaning options to suit various needs. Large dustbin capacity for less frequent emptying. Let me see the comparison of each robot vacuum cleaner brands. ILIFE robot vacuum cleaner leads with a generous 600 ml capacity, followed closely by ECOVAS robot vacuum cleaner at 800 ml. Dreamy robot vacuum cleaner provides 570 ml, while Laza robot vacuum cleaner features a slightly smaller capacity of 450 ml. Ample water tank capacity for efficient mopping. Let me see the comparison of each robot vacuum cleaner brands. ILIFE robot vacuum cleaner offers a 200 ml water tank, while ECOVAS robot vacuum cleaner provides a larger capacity of 300 ml. Dreamy robot vacuum cleaner features 270 ml, and Laza robot vacuum cleaner accommodates 250 ml in their respective water tanks. Powerful battery capacity for uninterrupted cleaning. Let me see the comparison of each robot vacuum cleaner brands. ILIFE robot vacuum cleaner features a battery capacity of 2400 mAh, while ECOVAS robot vacuum cleaner boasts 3200 mAh. Dreamy robot vacuum cleaner leads the pack with an impressive 5200 mAh, while Laza robot vacuum cleaner also offers a substantial capacity of 3200 mAh. Convenient control at your fingertips with the app. Let me see the comparison of each robot vacuum cleaner brands. Each of the 4 leading robot vacuum cleaner brands offers intuitive app control, ensuring effortless and effective cleaning at your fingertips. Quiet operation for minimal disruption. Let me see the comparison of each robot vacuum cleaner brands. ILIFE, ECOVAS, and Dreamy robot vacuum cleaner are known for their high noise levels, but Laza robot vacuum cleaner distinguishes itself with remarkably low operational sound, delivering a notably quieter cleaning experience. Great deals available for budget-conscious buyers. Let me see the comparison of each robot vacuum cleaner brands. ILIFE robot vacuum cleaner presents a generous discount of 49% off the MRP, while ECOVAS robot vacuum cleaner offers an impressive 76% discount. Dreamy robot vacuum cleaner follows closely behind with a 36% discount, and Laza robot vacuum cleaner provides a notable 37% off, ensuring enticing savings across all brands. Highly rated on Amazon platform by satisfied customers. Let me see the comparison of each robot vacuum cleaner brands. ILIFE robot vacuum cleaner boasts an impressive 23,383 ratings with an above 4.4 star rating on Amazon, closely followed by ECOVAS robot vacuum cleaner with 17,770 ratings. DreameBot vacuum cleaner accumulates 6,761 ratings, while 𝐿AZA robot vacuum cleaner garners 4,531 ratings, solidifying their standing in customer satisfaction and trust. Special features for enhanced cleaning performance. Let me see the comparison of each robot vacuum cleaner brands. ILIFE robot vacuum cleaner distinguishes itself with the intelligent path mode, while ECOVAS robot vacuum cleaner offers the systematic clean pattern as its standout feature. DreameBot vacuum cleaner incorporates LiDAR navigation for precise cleaning, whereas 𝐿AZA robot vacuum cleaner showcases its remarkable high suction power, ensuring exceptional performance in every cleaning session. Ranked among the top choices on Indian e-commerce platforms, let me see the comparison of each robot vacuum cleaner brands. ILIFE robot vacuum cleaner secures the top spot in the Indian e-commerce market, followed by ECOVAS robot vacuum cleaner at 3rd place, DreameBot vacuum cleaner at 4th place, and 𝐿AZA robot vacuum cleaner at 6th place, showcasing their prominent positions and influence in the industry. Durable construction ensures long-term reliability. Let me see the comparison of each robot vacuum cleaner brands. ILIFE, ECOVAS, and DreameBot vacuum cleaner excel in build quality, characterized by their exceptional craftsmanship, while 𝐿AZA robot vacuum cleaner offers a good build quality that ensures reliability and durability. Peace of mind with a comprehensive warranty package. Let me see the comparison of each robot vacuum cleaner brands. ILIFE, ECOVAS, and DreameBot vacuum cleaner come with a standard 1-year warranty, whereas 𝐿AZA robot vacuum cleaner provides an extended warranty of 2 years, offering customers additional peace of mind and support for their purchase. Let me see the common and good things in all these 4 robot vacuum cleaner brands. Harness the power of voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility. Rest easy with automatic recharging, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Transform your floors with the added convenience of mopping functionality. Adapt to any surface with the versatility to clean carpets, hard floors, and more. Combat pet hair effortlessly with specialized removal capabilities. Breathe easy with high-quality, high-efficiency particulate absorbing filters are at work. Opt for the top-selling online brand for trusted cleaning performance. Cover large areas effectively with the ability to clean up to 2,691 square feet. Enjoy portability with a built-in carrying handle for easy transport. Maximize cleaning potential with a water tank that supports detergents. Upgrade your cleaning arsenal with an advanced roller brush design. Experience intelligent navigation for precise and efficient cleaning every time. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. ILIFE robot vacuum cleaner holds strong 4.5 star rating, and ECOVAS robot vacuum cleaner holds strong 4.5 star rating. DreameBot vacuum cleaner holds a strong 4.5 star rating, and 𝐿AZA robot vacuum cleaner has good 4-star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Included in the box: robot vacuum cleaner, charging dock, user manual, mopping plate, reusable mopping pad, dust and water tank, HEPA and sponge filter set, side brushes, and main brushes. As we look at the best 4 brands, remember what's inside the box may differ. Some brands keep it basic, while others add extra stuff. Ensure to check the specifics for each brand, as the accessories included can differ, enhancing your overall quality. Before purchasing a robot vacuum cleaner, ensure to scrutinize its suction power, smart feature configuration, online ratings, build quality, and warranty for an optimal investment. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.